Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with another special review video for MagaBox 6K Android IPTV box. This is the one to get, guys. Link is going to be down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. This thing has everything. All your apps for Disney, Netflix, Prime Video, HBO or Max, Paramount Plus, and other PPPV events from WWE, UFC, NHL, NBA, NFL, cricket, MLB baseball season's coming up, so now's the time to get them. You can take this anywhere with you, using on any monitor, TV, stuff like that, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in a second. So you get 128 gigabyte large capacity so that you can install all your apps and everything. So this is a major hub right here. The remote does come with the voice activation remote, where you can just use your voice to switch to your apps. Easy to use menu. Like I said, you could set up all your live streams and everything, and all your international TV stations and all that good stuff. This is what you get in the box. You get a remote control, the main unit, power, HDMI cord, and a manual. Now here we go. You got the dual antennas right there. Got a nice LED display. You guys can see right here. Once I turn it on, you'll see. And on the back, you get HDMI, optical output, and landline, so you can run hardwire, or you can just use wireless. I use Wi-Fi, and it's really good too. So on the side, you can always add a extra mouse or a keyboard, TF card slot, USB restore key, and you can see right there, you got the LED, and now here's the menu. So this is what the menu looks like. I already got my Bluetooth soundbar hooked up to it. Got the apps right there, the special apps, if you know what I mean, right at the App Store. That's the one you want to click and download. Right there. Easy to use mouse. So you want that one. Come on. Clicky, clicky. There we go. So you're going to want to download Mega TV and Video on Demand. And you can always, download the other ones. So it's up to you, whatever you prefer. But those are the two main ones. And here we go. And like I said, I can't show any footage, but I mean, it's amazing quality. So you get Video on Demand. You get all the good stuff, from old school to new school, in between, documentaries, you name it, they got it all at a low price. So all you gotta do is click the link in the description and check it out. See, I'm not gonna show it because it's gonna pop up copyright stuff. So, and in this replay, you go back. Oh, never mind. There we go. I think it's live TV that actually shows, but this is fine right here. But yeah, definitely amazing quality. So you get everything, pretty much. You can always browse around to the newest. Click on that. Oh, come on. Movies. Go down here. I just gotta adjust my positioning of my projector. But yeah, you get action, adventure, and there's like a whole list. Keeps scrolling down and down. Unlimited hours of enjoyment at a low cost. So definitely check them out, guys. MagaBox, Super MagaBox, whatever you want to call it. Link's gonna be down below. Take it easy.